and friends can never be bought. Doesn't matter how long it's been, I know you'll always jump in, 'cause we don't know how to quit. Let's start a riot tonight, a pack of lions tonight. In this world, he who stops won't get anything he wants. Play like the top 1% till nothing's left to be spent. Take it all, ours to take, celebrate, because we are the champions. Setting it off again. Oh, we on fire, we on fire. Running our own campaign, doing the whole shebang. Oh, we on fire, we on fire. Get up, stand up, throw your hands up. Welcome to the other land of dreamers, brothers, sisters, others. Yeah, we on fire like that.
Abibista, Barangay Ipel, at magandang gabi po. Nalimutan mo na ba ang mga pangako mo? Ang sabi mo'y ako ang tanging nasa puso mo. Hanggang wakas di naglalaho, pangako mo'y di mababago. Naalala mo pa ba
to the entire community, which is Barangay Ipil. I am more than just gold in the stone. I am your Binibining People crown last 2024. I was held high by a woman candidate who turned compassion into action. As Binibining Ipil 2024 crown, I raise on a new set of shoulders. Shoulders strong enough to carry hope kind enough to share it. I stand last year, nervous, excited, and full of hope. Now, as I prepare to pass this crown forward, my heart is overflowing with gratitude. I just want to thank to my amazing supporters that are the reason I stand with confidence. It grows me stronger, and that's more to me than any trophy. To my hard makeup artist, Mami Rubiwang, thank you for your all support during my pageant. You've been always with me every step of the way, sending encouraging messages, cheering in my pasarela rehearsal. Thank you so much. At sa aking buong pamilya na palaging sumusuporta kahit saan man ang aking laban, maraming salamat. Nagbinigyan niyo ako ng lakas at tiwala upang humarap sa napakaraming tao.
Alright, third question of 4. Number 2! Isang galing kabataan chairperson na Andy Ayala. Walang number 7 ha. And our new once again, congratulations, Binibining number 5. Once again, ang ating pagbati sa lahat ng mamamayan. Cup, please.